When looking to repair your HVAC system, getting the best value is important. Replacing your entire HVAC system isn't always going to be the right choice for everyone. At W.E. Brown, we pride ourselves on putting our customers' needs at the forefront of everything we do. So let's talk about the best ways for you to maximize your value on HVAC updates and repairs. First step, assess your current situation. Getting to know your home and its current system is the first and most important step. Our HVAC consultants really spend time with you here, listening to your needs and concerns, getting an understanding for your budget, and identifying the features that would enrich your life and increase your comfort. We're going to have our HVAC consultant run through some points in the process to give you an idea of how we'll be making our assessments.
I'm now with W.E. Brown. It's nice to meet you, sir.
Chris, nice to meet you too.
I heard you're having a little bit of issue with your furnace today.
Yeah, that's right.
Gotcha. Is it okay if I come inside?
That'd be fantastic. Thanks so much.
Well, generally on a piece of equipment, the first things we like to go to would be the air filter and check how clean that is, or if it needs to be replaced. This is a nice media filter, which is great for the equipment. It is a bit dirty, so I would definitely recommend to go ahead and get this replaced while I'm here today. Pop that door off to the blower compartment. Looking at the blower wheel, looking for obvious signs of any wire damage or anything that's kind of out of the normal. All right, so he has low voltage, which is good. The wire here was a little bit loose, so we're gonna go ahead and snug that up. I actually want to go ahead and make sure this thermostat itself is functioning. And then, because he has two thermostats, I might have a discussion about taking these stats and combining them into one. Maybe we could move that around the corner or somewhere else in the house. We go ahead in here and look at the coil, see if that's dirty or not. We know this one has a good amount of debris on it. We want to go ahead and recommend a cleaning to the customer so it runs at top efficiency. We're going to go ahead and hook up the gauges, and then once the unit's calling, we can tell what the charge is like. All right, sir, so I've done that thorough evaluation of your equipment today.
So now that we've taken the time to understand what upgrades and repairs may be the best value for your system, we offer a lifetime workmanship guarantee on all of our service work, so that you will have the peace of mind of knowing that the repairs were done properly. As you can see, there's a lot to consider, and the best value will vary from home to home. But we hope that this video will empower you to make the most informed decision towards your home's comfort. Thanks so much for watching. And if you're in the Charlottesville, Albemarle area, feel free to reach out to W.E. Brown.